Hey everybody, Xavier here with Trainual, coming at you with a quick tip specifically surrounding the org chart on how to have multiple partners at the top of your org chart. So as you can see here right now, we have Usha at the top of our org chart, and you have Sasha and myself reporting to Usha. But let's say we all wanted to have ourselves aligned on the same level as partners at the top of the org chart. So that's an easy way to do. So all you need to do is click Edit Org Chart right over here, and then click the Add Teammate button. Once this modal populates, just type in the name of the business. So let's go say, we're going to say Trainual Org, for example. In the email, feel free to jot down any email. I'm just going to use a random email of mine. And then we're going to go ahead and let me just put company and actually send the invite later. So we're not going to invite this specific profile to the account. So once I've put the name of the organization in the name field, put in just a random email here, I'm going to click add. Once I click add, this adds this teammate or this profile to the account. So I'm just going to hit dismiss right here. And how we're going to edit this is I'm going to hit replace at the top of my org chart, and I'm going to type in the name of the company, and I'm going to hit org chart. From this point, I'm going to hit confirm. Just allow this a minute to load, and you'll see here this brought the Trainual org to the top of the page. And to bring Usha back up to the top, I'm just going to go down to Usha's profile and have her report to the Trainual org profile. So from this point, I'm going to go ahead and close the left panel. And right now, we currently don't have anybody reporting to Usha. We still have the same individuals reporting to Sasha and myself, but now all three of us report to the company org chart or company org profile. So this is how you can achieve having 3 individuals or multiple partners at the top of your org chart. Of course, you feel free to add a profile photo. You can add a description to the organization here, but essentially that is a quick way how to achieve having multiple people at the top of your org chart. I hope this helps. Have a great day.